reviewing sound me. Students will take up the role and explain a wide range of vocabulary related to this particular sound through meaningful communication and activities.
Wow, how fun summer is! Spending time with our families, friends, and even with the sun and our lovely nature. When you get sick, you should come to the doctor and take medication and you'll feel better. I'm a strong man. I have a mustache. I am a rich man. I have a lot of money. It's a map. We can search for all countries on the map. Oh, I look myself in the mirror. I look like princess. Christmas this year, I got some beautiful gifts for my friends and for my family. Happy New Year!
This is a great way for children to express themselves and to learn effectively with a lot of joy.